Have you ever wondered why many men say they begin feeling healthier, stronger, and more energetic after committing to a disciplined semen retention journey? Is it because semen retention alone possesses a hidden power, or is something much deeper taking place? The human body is constantly repairing itself every single day. Your muscles recover after exercise, your skin renews itself, your immune system fights infections, and your brain adapts to learning and experience. Semen retention itself is not scientifically proven to directly speed up these repair processes. However, many men who practice it also begin sleeping better, exercising consistently, eating healthier foods, reducing harmful habits, managing stress, and living with greater discipline. These evidence-based lifestyle changes create the conditions your body needs to recover more effectively. Your transformation is rarely the result of one habit, it is the result of an entire lifestyle moving in the right direction. When discipline replaces chaos, your body finally gets the opportunity to perform the repair work it was designed to do. The first reason your body begins feeling healthier is because quality sleep often becomes a priority. Instead of staying awake late every night chasing distractions, you begin respecting your body's need for recovery. During sleep, your body repairs muscles, supports hormone regulation, strengthens the immune system, and consolidates memories. If you consistently improve your sleep schedule, you give your body more opportunity to recover from the physical and mental stress of each day. Many people underestimate how powerful proper rest truly is. No supplement can completely replace healthy sleep. Every peaceful night becomes another opportunity for your body to rebuild itself from the inside out. A disciplined man understands that recovery is just as important as hard work. Another reason you begin noticing positive changes is because exercise becomes part of your identity. Instead of spending hours on unhealthy habits, you begin investing your energy in strength training, walking, stretching, or other physical activities. Exercise creates tiny stresses on your muscles, and your body responds by repairing and strengthening them during recovery. Over time, your endurance improves, your posture becomes stronger, and your overall fitness increases. This process isn't magic, it's biology supported by consistency. The more disciplined your training becomes, the better your body adapts. Every workout sends your body a message that it needs to become stronger for tomorrow. Growth always begins with effort followed by proper recovery. Nutrition also plays a major role in your body's ability to repair itself. When you begin eating enough protein, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains, and staying hydrated, you provide your body with the building blocks it needs for recovery. Muscles require protein to repair after training. Vitamins and minerals support countless functions throughout the body. Water helps transport nutrients and maintain normal body functions. Instead of relying on temporary pleasure from poor eating habits, you begin fueling your body with intention. Healthy nutrition doesn't create overnight transformation, but day after day it quietly supports every repair process taking place within you. The food you eat today becomes part of the body you live in tomorrow. Perhaps one of the biggest changes is that your stress begins decreasing. Chronic stress can negatively affect sleep, recovery, mood, and overall health. As you build healthier routines, exercise regularly, and learn emotional discipline, many people find they manage stress more effectively. A calmer mind often supports healthier daily choices, creating a positive cycle of improvement. Instead of living in constant tension, you begin giving your body opportunities to recover mentally as well as physically. Your body functions best when it isn't constantly preparing for unnecessary stress. Peace of mind becomes another powerful form of recovery, reminding you that true strength is built through balance, not burnout. Another reason your body begins feeling stronger is because consistency replaces extremes. Instead of pushing yourself hard for a few days and then giving up, you develop routines you can actually maintain. You train regularly, eat balanced meals, stay hydrated, and give yourself enough time to recover. The human body responds remarkably well to consistency. It doesn't require perfection, it requires repetition. Every healthy decision you make becomes another small investment in your future health. While dramatic transformations may grab attention online, real physical repair happens quietly through months of disciplined habits. The strongest bodies are rarely built through shortcuts. They are built through thousands of small choices repeated every single day. Your body also begins recovering more efficiently because inflammation caused by unhealthy habits may gradually decrease when you adopt a healthier lifestyle. Choosing nutritious foods, exercising appropriately, sleeping well, and avoiding excessive alcohol or smoking are all supported by research as ways to improve overall health. As these habits become normal, many people notice they feel less sluggish, recover better after workouts, and have more stable energy throughout the day. This doesn't mean your body suddenly becomes perfect, but it does mean you're creating an environment where it can function closer to its full potential. Good health is often the result of removing the things that constantly interfere with your body's natural recovery. Another important transformation happens inside your mind. As you become more disciplined, you begin reducing habits that constantly drain your focus and energy. Instead of spending hours on distractions, you invest more time in learning, training, and pursuing meaningful goals. This shift often reduces mental fatigue and gives your brain opportunities to recover through proper rest and healthy routines. Your concentration improves because your attention is no longer scattered in dozens of different directions. A healthy mind supports a healthy body, and together they create a foundation for long-term growth. The stronger your focus becomes, the more intentional every part of your life begins feeling. Your immune system also benefits from the healthy lifestyle you build. While semen retention itself has not been proven to directly strengthen immunity, regular sleep, balanced nutrition, physical activity, stress management, and proper hydration are all well-established contributors to a healthy immune system. These habits help your body respond more effectively to everyday challenges. You may notice that you feel more energetic, recover better after illness, or simply feel healthier overall. Your body has always been capable of protecting itself, it simply performs better when you consistently support it with healthy choices instead of working against it. Eventually, you realize that your body has always wanted to heal, it simply needed the right conditions. Recovery isn't created by one secret habit or one miracle solution. It happens because you consistently provide your body with sleep, movement, nourishment, hydration, and peace of mind. Every disciplined choice tells your body that you value your health and your future. Over time, those choices begin showing up in your energy, your strength, your endurance, and your overall well-being. Your body is constantly working to repair itself. The question is whether your daily habits are helping that process or making it more difficult. A disciplined lifestyle gives your body the opportunity to become the healthiest version of itself. Another transformation you may notice is that your body becomes better at recovering from physical effort because you finally begin respecting recovery as much as training. In the beginning, many men believe that lifting heavier weights every day is the fastest way to grow. But real progress happens during recovery, not during the workout itself. When you consistently give your muscles enough rest, eat sufficient protein, and sleep well, your body repairs the tiny muscle fibers stressed during exercise. Over time, those muscles adapt by becoming stronger and more resilient. Recovery is not a sign of weakness, it is an essential part of growth. The man who understands this trains with intensity but also recovers with discipline. That balance allows his body to keep improving month after month. Your posture also begins improving as your body becomes stronger and healthier. Hours of inactivity, poor movement habits, and weak muscles often cause people to stand with rounded shoulders and low confidence. But regular strength training, stretching, and greater body awareness gradually change the way you carry yourself. A stronger back, a more stable core, and improved mobility help you stand taller and move with greater ease. Good posture not only supports physical health but also changes how you feel about yourself. You breathe more freely, move more confidently, and project greater self-respect. Sometimes one of the clearest signs of a healthier body isn't found in the mirror, it's found in the way you naturally stand and walk through life. Another important change is that you become more aware of what your body actually needs. Instead of ignoring signs of fatigue, dehydration, or poor nutrition, you begin listening to your body with greater attention. You understand the value of drinking enough water, eating balanced meals, warming up before training, and taking recovery seriously. This awareness helps prevent unnecessary setbacks and supports long-term health. A disciplined man doesn't abuse his body in the pursuit of success, he takes care of it because he knows it is the vehicle that carries him through life. The more you respect your body, the better it can support your goals. As your disciplined lifestyle continues, you begin realizing that health is not measured by one day or 1 week, it is measured by years of consistent choices. Every healthy meal, every workout, every night of quality sleep, and every stressful situation handled with maturity becomes another brick in the foundation of your future. There will still be difficult days, setbacks, and moments when progress feels slow, but your commitment remains stronger than temporary emotions. True repair is rarely dramatic. It happens quietly while you continue showing up for yourself every single day. That quiet consistency eventually produces visible strength, lasting energy, and greater resilience. And in the end, your body doesn't repair itself because of one practice alone, it repairs itself because you finally begin giving it what it has always needed. Semen retention by itself is not a proven shortcut to healing, but when it becomes part of a disciplined lifestyle built on quality sleep, regular exercise, nutritious food, stress management, hydration, and self-respect, your body is better supported in carrying out its natural repair processes. The greatest transformation isn't that your body suddenly becomes extraordinary, it is that you stop working against it and start working with it.